back to Peterson Auto. Another tool tips for you here. Pardon the camera shaking with the engine. But what we're trying to do here is we're trying to loosen these fan clutch bolts. And you can see, if you just put a wrench on it, it just spins. And you can try to hold this and it still spins. So what do? Well, we get ourselves a pry bar. Wedge it between one of the bolts and the hub, or two of the bolts. And then you can loosen it. And I was tightening it. You can loosen it while holding it in place. So you break your bolts loose that way. And after they're all broken loose, you should be able to still spin them out by hand. So again, there we are. Hopefully you can see more clearly. So something like a fan clutch or anything with a rotating shaft, you can usually make this happen with. I've used it to remove pulleys in some cases too. That's kind of a last resort, and the pulley kind of has to have a hole in it. But you can use a pry bar or a screwdriver wedged up against the bolt like that to hold something in place. You can use it on the other side here too. If you look, this doesn't work so well for it, but something a little smaller would wedge in there, and you could break these bolts loose on the actual fan clutch. So sometimes, like, your serpentine belt won't actually have enough force there, enough tension to hold for you to break loose the bolts on the fan clutch. It might be seized in there, like this is an aluminum clutch and a steel bolt. They might seize. So you can use this technique and break those loose too. So just wanted to show you guys that. Another tool tips for you. They seem to be pretty popular, so we'll get some of them out here, and hopefully you guys keep watching. So like, comment, and subscribe to Peterson Auto.